Yeah. Can you people do this? Can you people create DAO for food order? You created DAO for student, right? Student DAO we created. The same way, can you create for food? Can you create for food? Yeah, food order DAO. So hardly it will not take more than 5 minutes. So I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Try to create DAO class for food order. Guys, did you people completed it? So one person is like completed. What about others? Okay, fine. So even I have done it. Can you people check whether I have done it correctly? Is everything correct? Check. Okay, fine. Now my question is, should we create DAO class for item? Should we create DAO class for item? Is it required? Okay, you people are telling no. Can you people tell why? Why we don't need to create DAO class for item? We used mapping. Items are fixed. Okay, and moreover, we had given an annotation. We had given an annotation, right? At the rate one to many. Correct. In that we had given cascade all. Yeah, because of cascade, we have given cascade all, right? Whenever we insert food order, what happens? Item will also get inserted automatically. If you delete food order, item will get deleted automatically. If you update a food order, in that if item is updated, then again it will get updated automatically. So everything happens if you perform operation with respect to food order. So item DA was not required. Okay, fine. Fine. So now now what we should do is, so why I'm asking you people to do is, here there is some problem. I wanted to tell you what is that. That is the reason I'm going with food order. Okay. Now I want you people to create a controller package. Create controller package and create controller class for food order to perform insert operation. Just to perform insert operation, which mapping we should use? Post mapping we should use, correct? So just do that. We'll try to insert and we will check, and I'll tell you what is the problem here. Because usually these problems you will face in your application or in your companies whenever you perform, whenever you create some app. So that is the reason I wanted to show you this. Just create insert. Guys, done with controller? Done with controller? Or do you want me to wait? Am I audible to everyone? Then please do respond. You want me to wait or shall I continue? Wait. Okay. Fine. Completed. When you don't create DAO for item, then why is controller class required for item? It's a basic understanding. Completed. Yes, just this. Everyone have written it, or check whether mine is correct, whatever I have written. Okay, so now what I want you people to do is just run the application. Guys, just run the application. Everyone, just run the application and check whether the table is getting created properly or not. I want everyone to run the application now and concentrate, because here there is a problem and I'll be telling you how to solve this in future whenever you get such problems. For everyone, table is getting created properly. Yes. Everyone, please do respond. Yeah. Okay. So now I need to insert food order. So how you will pass the JSON object in food order? I have list of items. So first I need to pass food order and then items. In that I should pass array of items, correct? I need to pass array of items. I'll just I'll just send you the JSON object so you people can use that. Yeah, I'll share it in group. Can you people check? So you have total cost, status, and then item. In that, 3 items are there. So it is array of items. Yes, this is the perfect JSON object, right? Okay, so since it is a post mapping, I'll make use of post HTTP food orders. Okay, I'll go to body raw JSON format. So here I'll paste my JSON format. Okay. Now I hit on. Now if I hit on send. Now if I hit on send, what will be my response? What is the issue here? Sorry, I did not run the program. Okay. So now if I hit on send, what you people are getting? Can you see any null values there? Can you see any null values? Which value is null? Food order is null, right? Which value you people are getting? It has null. Food order, correct? Here we need to have the food order ID, correct? Let it be 1, 2, 3, whatever ID is your food order, it should be injected, or that value should be injected into your items, correct? So is that happening here? Is that happening here? Yeah, ID is also 0, 0, correct. Yes, so this is the issue which we are facing. Cost you need to mention. You yourself should mention cost here. Can you see date and time? It is taking the current date and time. Yes, when order is placed, that particular current date and time is taken automatically. Now our problem is, what is our problem exactly here is, for food order it is taking null values, and ID it is giving 0. Okay. So what is happening here? Why food order is null? Because it is directly inserting the item object. It is directly inserting the item objects, and then it is inserting the food order, and then it is inserting the food order. That is the reason again it is not able to insert the food order inside the item. It is not able to insert food order ID inside the item. This is the problem. Now what is the solution? What we should do is, we should write some logic. Sometimes in some application or in like such kind of situations, you will face this problem. So I have seen this in most of the applications. Whenever we try to perform bidirection or any one to many or many to one mapping, I have seen this while doing projects. So that is why I thought this is important, so that future if you face any issues like this, you can solve it. Okay, now what we should do, I will tell you. Now what we are doing, we are creating a food order object. So let's take, this is our food order object. This is our food order object. Inside this, how many items I have? Item 1, item 2, item 3. I have 3 item object, correct? Okay, screen is not visible. Sorry, I did not share the screen. Okay, so this is the food order object, and how many item object I have? 3 item object I have, correct? Now what is happening? What is happening? Item object is getting inserted into the table. Item object is getting inserted into the table first, and then food order is getting inserted. This is first and this is second. So when food order ID is generated after items getting inserted. So can food order ID get inserted into the item? That is not possible. Now what we should do is, I should take this items, list of items. I should take this items and add it into the list. Add it into the list. So first I should insert food order. First I should insert food order, after which I should insert this list of items. Can I do like this? Can I do like this? If I do like this, will I get null value? If I do like this, will I get null value? I will not get null value, correct? So first what I should do? First I should insert the food order. First I should insert the food order, and then I should insert the list of items, and then I should insert the list of items. For this we should write the logic using if else for loop and all. For this we should write the logic. Will you people try, or should I myself explain you people? Will you people try? I'll tell you where you should write the logic. You wanted to try? Yes or no? Tell something. Okay, so where I should do the changes is whenever the API hits the controller, whenever API or the URL hits the controller, immediately it will go to the DAO. Immediately it will go to the DAO, correct? So here I need to write the logic. Here I need to write some logic. So can you people try? I told you what to be done. First, insert food order and then insert the list of items. Try. So simultaneously, I'll also do it. Okay, so what you people are doing? How did you people start writing it? The logic here. So what I have written is, I need to get the items and I should store it in the list. That is what I told. No, you need to take all the item and it should be in list format, correct? So that is what I am doing here. Food order dot get item. Everyone is my screen visible to everyone? Yes, please do concentrate here. Okay, so this logic you people should know. Almost for all the problems, this logic or this structure will be the solution. Okay, so what I'm doing, from food order, I am getting the items. Okay, get item. And that item where I'm storing in list of items. This is the first step what I told you people to do in the diagram, correct? Now what I am doing is, I'll be checking whether list of item is empty or not. Whether list of item is empty or not. So if it is empty, if list of item is not there, then directly save the food order. Whatever food order ID is there, or whatever date and time, order total cost, whatever food order object is there, just save that automatically. Just save that. So I am calling food order repository dot save of food order. Just food order I am saving. Okay. Now in else part, what we should write? In else part, what we should write is, after saving the food order, suppose if list of item is not empty, save the food order first. Then iterate the list of items. You know how to iterate the list of items, right? Using for loop. Iterate the list of items one by one. So I will get item 1, I will get item 2, I will get item 3. So when I get item 1, I will set the food order. I'll set the food order ID. Item dot set food order. In item class, I have set food order method, right? So in that I will set the order, and then I will add the item. I'll save the item. Okay, then again I will get the second item. So again for the second item, I will save the food order ID. And for the third item, I will save the food order ID. Correct? So this is what repeatedly I will be doing in the for loop. And then I will finally return the food order object. I'll finally return the food order object. This logic, if you people understand, then it is easy to go. Because in your applications, whenever you create any application, whenever you create any big projects, suppose if you are a back-end developer, such kind of logics you should be writing based on the situation. Like this, no one will explain. Actually, this is not required to explain also. Whenever you get such problems, you should only try to write logics. Okay, so this we will tell business logic. Usually you will tell such kind of things as business logics. Okay, like this is simple one. Than this complicated logics and all you need to write whenever you have some issues in the project. So you will write all your DTO class, you will write all your DAO class, you will create your repository, and then you will create your controller. Okay, so when you are executing or when you are testing the controller, if you have some issue, you should check what is the issue. If you can solve it by writing the logic, then you should write the logic like this. That is the reason they tell backend developers should be very good in logical. Writing a program and logical thinking should be good for them. This is the reason they tell. Okay, so simple guys, I am taking the items in the list. Okay, I am taking the items in the list. So it is in the array list format. So I am just checking if the item is empty. If item is empty, then only food order will be saved. If item is not empty, then in the else part, food order will be saved, and each item I will iterate using for loop. Each item I will iterate using for loop, and one by one item I will be saving it I'll be saving the food order ID into one by one item. I got null value, right? That will be eliminated because I'm setting the food order. And then finally, I'm returning the food order object. Finally, I'm returning the food order object. This logical is not a big deal for me here. Logic is not a big deal for you also, for me also. If after this you will have a problem, after this you will have a problem. Till here, if you have understood, then I can go to the next issue. What will be the next issue after writing the logic like this? Done till here. Shall I show you the next problem? What is the next problem you will be facing here? To solve that problem, you will be using one annotation. Okay, that is the reason I asked you to do food order. Okay, fine. So this is the object. This is the JSON object, right? Now I'll just run this. So you're not getting any response here. Whenever I run this. So I'll just go to my console. I did not start the program itself. Okay. Now I'll just run this program. Request is sent. We'll go back to our Eclipse. Can you see I have some problem? I have some exception. I have some error here. So the problem here is with where is the DTO package? Yeah, DTO package is here. Food order and item. So here we have given food order and we have given the item, correct? We have given the item. So in Java, you would have been learned about serialization and deserialization of the object, correct? Serialization, deserialization in your Java, did you learn? So in Java, in module 3, you would have been completed about serialization and deserialization. So whenever the object is being sent, we are sending two objects. And that is where it is affecting your serialization. Okay. So for that, to ignore that, what I will do, I will make use of JSON ignore. I will make use of what? JSON ignore. To avoid that problem, we will make use of JSON ignore in any one of the class based on the annotation what you are using. So my server got restarted automatically. So I will go to the Postman now and I'll check. I'll go to the Postman and I'll check. Yeah. So you can see here, ID is getting generated properly. Can you people check in your system? And here you can see insert operation for food order. Yeah, you can see a food order is inserted and then item is inserted. How many times? 3 times. Yes. So annotation is JSON ignore. I have shared the code of controller and DAO class. So here you can see you need to add this JSON ignore. Okay. Can you people try this in your system? Guys, did you people got this executed? Did you check your MySQL table also? Okay, execute Vishal. did not create item DAO class only. That is not required, no. Item DAO and controller is not at all required, Abhijit. Then what did I explain from that time to you people? So we shall just add this annotation. Just add this annotation in your main method. In your main method. And then check. So below your Spring Boot application. So might be the package creation, you would have been made some mistake. Check your package creation first. Make sure you have used all the annotation, class level annotations. If you everything you have done properly, then try to use this. You did not create object only properly. Check your DAO and your controller class, Pratik. Guys, you would have been made some silly mistakes, guys. In in projects, if you make silly mistakes, then it is really a difficult part for you people to clear it. Fine. So, did anyone get the output properly after using JSON ignore? After writing the logic, did anyone get who got? Okay, good question. Else, anyone else? So this is the important thing what I wanted to explain it to you people, because usually you will face all such small problems in your project whenever you be a part of any project. Okay, so that's all guys. This is the important thing. Rest you can do, right? For product and for customer it is simple. How you did it for student, the same way you should do for customer and product. Nothing much complicated in that. Nothing much complicated in that. So what I'll do, I'll just share the entire project folder to the Git. You people can just download and import it in your Eclipse. Okay, you can download and import it in your Eclipse. That will be fine. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'll just share it in Git. Please check and tell me is the code available to everyone. Okay. Guys, I have shared the Git link in your group. Can you people check? Yeah. Everyone got the code. You people can import the SRC into your project or create a new product and import the SRC. Okay. So make sure you use all the annotations properly, and you should know the use of annotations, why, when it is used, and why it is used. In Spring Boot only these questions are important. Okay, what is REST mapping? Sorry, what is request mapping? What is REST controller? And what is JSON ignore? What is post mapping, get mapping, delete mapping, put mapping? What is the difference between post mapping and put mapping? Then what is repository? Which from which repository we get all the methods? From JPA repository we will get. Yes. So such kind of questions are important with respect to Spring Boot. Okay, so all these are important concepts which you people should know, and I have covered a bit extra also with respect to your industries, how exactly the problems you will face. All those I have covered. Okay, so keep all these points in your mind. So whenever you have any issues, don't get panic. Sit, think, and write logic. If logic is required, write a logic. If not, try to solve the error. That's it. So it takes some time because you people are a beginner for all this backend for backend development. So it takes some time. You people should complete it. You people should you people should try to sit, think, and then solve your error. Okay. Okay, what else I wanted to inform you people is okay. So you people have already completed projects in Hibernate like hospital application, correct? Or did you do anything else? In Hibernate, which project did you people do? Hospital or car application? Hospital, right? Yeah, hospital. Okay. So similar to hospital, I will be giving you one project, so you people can do it using Spring Boot. You people can do it using Spring Boot. Okay, I'll make sure that you will not get all such complications in that project. Okay, So I'll give the mappings a bit easier one. Okay, so I'll share the diagram, UML diagram of hospital application. So you people have again 3 days time, right? 16, 17, 18 and 19. 16, 17, 18 and 19. JDBC is not required because I want mapping kind of project. So I'll take Hibernate hospital project. So similar to that, a simple one I'll give you. I'll make sure you will not get all such complications in that project. Okay, just try to do the project. You will have 4 days of time. 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, from 16th, if you start doing also, by Sunday, you can complete the entire project. Slowly, you people don't complicate yourself. Okay, so from Monday, you will be having mock details. I will ask the counselors or HRs to share it in group, or I myself will be sharing, fine. Then on Monday, I will have one meeting with you people, okay? On Monday, I'll be having one last meeting with you people. And after that, it will only be about your mock. Fine? Is that clear? Guys, make like Monday, I'll be having one last meeting with you people. And those who are having issues in Spring Boot, tomorrow share your AnyDesk ID. I'll just see what is the issue, okay? I'll just see what is the issue. Yeah, questions for Spring I will share. Whatever questions I have shared, it is for JDBC, Hibernate, and yeah, servlets, right? For Spring, I will share. Fine. So whoever is having problem with your Spring Boot program, Abhijit, you're telling it is so easy to make the project, but many of your friends are having many issues. What to do? Which version you have used? Which version you have used? Okay, so in Spring Initializer, you're talking about Spring Initializer. Did I ask you people to use 3.0.7? Did I ask you people to use 3.0.7? Then why did you use? Then why did you use? And now why are you asking me for solving the error? I will not solve. I will not solve because I have repeated this n number of time. Because of versions also there will be some problem because it is a new version. There will be some bugs in it. So use the older one I told and then I started. If you use 3.0.2, 3.0.7 and if you are getting error, sit with the error like that only. I am not going to tell what is the solution for that. In class, if you people are so careless, I can't do anything. This shows how interested you people are. Fine. Um, yeah, you can create control. You should create a DAO and controller for customer and product. How you did for student? For student, how you did? You do the same way. You should do it for customer and product also. Okay, so whatever syllabus has given to me from your branch, that I have completed. Okay, so from your branch, I don't know from which branch you people are exactly, but from that particular branch, what is the portion for your Spring Boot, for your Spring, and for your J2EE, that I have completed. Okay, so Monday you will have one last meeting. Monday you will have one last meeting. So there I wanted to explain some theory part. There I wanted to explain some theory part once after you completing the Spring Boot project. Okay, after that your class will be completed. After that your class will be completed. Okay, so done. So portion is completed, guys. The only thing is I want you people to revise. Yeah, I told, right? Monday I need to explain some theory part. Monday will be your last meeting. Okay, I just wanted to explain some theory part once after you complete your Spring Boot, because I don't want to confuse you people immediately by taking the next concepts, next new theory concept. Okay. So I'll just talk to counselors. Counselors will inform when is your mock and all those lists and timings they will send. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. Fine. Guys, you people are from exactly from which branch? Online only, but you would have been joined J Spiders, right? In which branch did you people join? Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Baswangudi. Online only. Okay, directly online. Okay, fine. Hyderabad. Okay. Okay, fine, guys, fine. So I have given my best. I think I have given my best, and I explained things properly to you people. So all the best, guys. So Monday we will meet once again, but still, I'll just tell you people, please go through whatever I have completed and practice it once again. All the best for your future and for your career. Okay. Yeah, notes I will share. You don't need to worry about that. Notes and interview questions I'll share. But I told, right, Monday again I'll be connecting for theory part, Saurabh. Yeah, full notes will be shared. So tomorrow, can you people give your AnyDesk ID, or I need to check what exactly is the problem and then I'll solve your error, okay? Yeah, only from those questions your interview, like your mock will be asked. Your mock will be asked from whatever questions I have shared, okay? Sure, guys, I'll share the questions also. So guys, you have an announcement. So once after that, we'll just continue. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Yeah. This is Shweta from HR team. So, guys, today I'm here to announce few requirements here. So, I'll be sharing with the screen now. Hope screen is visible. So, guys, for today you have 4 requirements. Please take the screenshot of this. So, once you're done with your class, check for which company you guys are suitable. And if you are eligible for any of the requirement, ping your name, contact number, along with the deal name. That is company code to the HR's number. So I have shared you the HR's number in the screen itself. For the same number, you have to ping your details. Is it done? I'm stop sharing the screen now. And guys, if you have any queries, you can call back to the same number. We will help you out. So guys, for today, we don't have any requirements for mechanical. Okay. So mechanical students, please contact HRs tomorrow. Guys, both the 5 requirements are offline interviews only. And guys, one more thing. Like if you need any information regarding requirement, you can visit the nearest branch from your location, okay? But before visiting the branch, give a call to HRs so that they will be sharing your information to the branch people so that you can get the requirements from offline also. Srinivas, did you contact HRs? Did you call them? Yeah. Can you ping your number? Okay, Srinivas. Tomorrow you will get a call, okay? Mohini, like before visiting the branch, give a call to our online HRs, okay? So that they will be intimating with branch people. So directly you can visit the branch after that, okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
So those who have problem with respect to your postman or with respect to your spring related to postman, drop your AnyDesk ID in the group tomorrow. So everyone will be enabled in group only for certain time. Okay, like from 3 o'clock to 4 to 5. Okay, that will be the time, and I'll be clearing your errors. Okay. So Monday again, once we will connect, I need to tell you about one theory concept. I'll just do it on Monday. So by then you complete your Hibernate project. Okay. Sorry, Spring Boot project. Okay, guys. So again, yeah, I'll share student project also. Yes, so fine. Anything else? Ashwini on Monday. Monday, okay. I'll share the project. I don't know hospital project I'll share. So you need to do for that. Fine, guys. So if you have no other questions, then you can leave the class. We are done for the day. And to tell almost your advanced Java class is completed. Just Monday, one day you will be having some theory concept. That's all. So your advanced Java class is completed. So start preparing, clear your interviews, get placed in good companies. Okay, have a good career. Fine. No, you don't need to execute code and mock and all. Just theory is enough. Okay, guys. So you people can leave. We want to see your face. You can come to institute and meet. Okay. Yeah, even I'll be missing you people because every day 7 to 9 I'll be talking to you people, right? So from tomorrow onwards, I'll not have anyone. Yeah, from 7 to 9. So even I'll be missing everyone here. So, okay. You wanted my Insta ID? I myself forgot my Insta ID. Okay, it's MANNURAJ1618. Okay, fine, guys. So anytime if you people come to Bangalore, we'll meet. Okay, so no need to worry about that. If you have any issues, you can give me a call or a text message with your name. If not, I'll not get to know. Okay. MANNURAJ1618. Fine. Thank you, guys. You need to practice. You need to practice the project repeatedly. Then only you'll understand the flow. Fine. So you people can leave the class, guys. We are done for the day. Okay, again we'll meet once again on Monday. That will be our last meeting. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Take care. Good night. Yeah, thank you guys. Take care. Good night.